Hey. So I'm back with another tech video. So as you can see, I have the Jabra 65T, Jabra Elite 65T. These were $179, I believe, at Verizon. You could get them on Amazon as well. I also got myself for my car a car adapter and a cord. The one that I have was for my Note 8, and it is starting to short out, but it did good for 2 years. Now you asking, didn't you just get some headphones? Yeah, I did. And I took them back. The reason why I took the Bose back, even though I love the sound, I love Bose, was because the left ear kept dropping. Like, I was like, what is going on? And it started from when I first got them. I had a hard time keeping the left ear connected. So I'm saying, maybe I'm doing something wrong. And this is what I'm drinking, y'all. These are good. They haven't had my peach in for the last month or so, so I'm a little pissed off with them. This is a Japanese, I believe it's a Japanese soda. This is the mango. It's really good. But anywho, so it started happening when I first got them, so I'm thinking maybe because I just pulled them out the box, I didn't bother to read the booklet or anything. I thought it was self-explanatory, take them out, turn them on, pair it with your phone or whatever you pairing it to, and keep it moving. But that was not the case. And so I think it was, what's today, 8 to 6 was 2 weeks. Verizon only give you 14 days to return. And so today I just happened to call and say, look, I'm having a problem with these headphones, these Bose headphones. The left ear keep dropping. Could I come in and exchange them? He went and asked his manager. The manager said, yeah. I get down there, and he said, let me go get you another pair. I said, I don't want the Bose again. I was like, there is an issue with the left ear dropping because I Googled it, came up on the Bose community page, and it was a lot of people complaining of the same thing. And basically, they, the comment they would get, the reply they got back was, unpair them from your phone and pair them back up, or update the app, because they do have an app. And people were saying that's not working. And so they was returning the headphones. Unfortunately, I thought it was something that I was doing, and after it kept happening, actually, this weekend, I said, you know what, I'm gonna take these things back. I'm gonna see if I could take them back, see what their return policy is. So when I got there, the general manager, he said, oh, I'll go get you another pair. And so the general manager said, no, she told you she wanted to exchange them. And he said, that's what you said to me when you came to me. So I'm glad he was truthful and he didn't kind of go with the guy, because he was like, no, she just said she wanted to change him. He said, no, you said exchange. And I said, yes, I wanted to exchange them. Why would I change them out for another pair when I went on to the community page and seen that everybody was having the same problem with the Bose wireless headphones, and there's no fix to them. People was returning them or just taking an L if it was past the return policy. So for $200, they sounded real good, but I couldn't go with another pair knowing that that can possibly happen again. As people on the community page said, they went and exchanged them thinking it was just a bad pair, and the same thing was happening. So it was a toss up between the Samsung wireless headbuds and these. Y'all know I look at Flossie Carter. I go to him for all my tech reviews. And he reviewed the Samsung headphones and said they were good, but they weren't in his top 5. And actually, these were his number 5. It was the Bose at number 4 and these at number 5. So I said, you know what? I like a good sounding headphone because I'm not paying almost $200 for a wireless headset just to talk on the phone. I like to listen to my music through them as well, and especially when my kids are in the car, and I don't want them hearing. Sometimes I'm on YouTube or playing my music, and I just don't want them hearing some of the stuff that I'm listening to or playing on my music. And I'm pretty sure they don't want to hear what I'm playing either. They kind of want to hear their own thing. But anywho, I went with the Jabra after sitting there probably for about 25 minutes, just thinking making the right choice, because this was a one-time exchange, warranty exchange. So I cannot take these back and get another exchange or a refund because it was past the refund or exchange date, which is 14 days. So he went on ahead and just did a one-time warranty exchange for me. And so I'm stuck with these. So upon listening to these, I paired them up. They were very easy to pair. Hard as hell to try to figure out how to put them inside of the case. I must have fiddled around with it for about 3 to 5 minutes, but I got it in there, I guess. But then listening to them, they sounded kind of low, and I'm like, "What is wrong with these things?" I said, "The sound is good, but they're too low, and I can't turn them up." And I turned them up as much as possible from my phone, and so it was time for me to sit down with my family and eat dinner. So I went on ahead and just put everything back in the bag and took it up to my room. And I'm up here messing around with them again. I downloaded the app where you can customize your sound. It has an equalizer and everything in the app. And so I'm playing around with the bass, the mids, the treble, and all of that, and it's just sounding really low. So I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'm pressing on the left ear. It is not doing anything. I take it out and I'm pressing again. So I said, let me turn it off and turn it back on, because I was really getting annoyed by then. Paying almost $200, and these are even worse than the Bose. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to pay that kind of money just to talk. I could talk through my car. You know what I'm saying? So I just started playing around with the left ear, and finally, however I pressed it, the sound started getting higher. But then I had to play with the earbuds to position them in my ear the right way to hear it how you supposed to hear it. You know what I'm saying? So once I did all of that, it probably took me about 20 minutes fiddling around with it. But finally, I got it right, and they are a good sounding wireless earbud. But geez, you just got to go through so much. I had to anyway. It wasn't just pull out of the box with the Bose. I was just pull them out of the box. It was a pain to pair the Bose, but once it paired, it paired. But again, the left earbud kept acting up, and I just thought it was something that I was doing. But it's a learning curve with these. Again, once I finally keep playing with them, it'll be okay. But basically, to turn it up and down on the left ear, it clicks. To turn it on, you press both ears at the same time for 3 seconds, and then it'll turn on. You do the same thing to pair it. You can also go to the next track, stop it, start it with the right ear, just pressing. It's a clickable. You hear that tap? It's a clickable. They're both clickable. Whereas the Bose, I don't think you was able to do anything from them things. You had to do it from through the phone. Um, so again, it seems like it's a really good wireless earbud. Very good sound. You have an equalizer where you can kind of play with your sound. I like a lot of bass, but also I like it to be. I just like the sound to be right. But I am a bass heavy person. I want to hear that bass in that sound. I don't want to sound like no tin box. So yeah, the Jabra 65T, the Jabra Elite 65T. It comes with different size. These are the small. Thinking these are the large and the medium come in them. So this is the earbud, and this is the microphone. It said it has like a 4-way microphone. Yeah, like I said, it was no problem connecting them to my phone. The case is a little bit of a pain in the butt to open up. You can see the wireless thing, and also I think with these two, I can charge these just putting them on the back of my phone. You know, so the case is kind of small. It's not that big. You got your charging port right here. You got your charger. So you just plug it into a USB. And then you got your extra ear pads. This is going to go into my car. I can plug in two things. So when two USBs. So I plug this into my charger. And it's a fast charger too, which my phone don't take. Even with the brick, my phone don't take long. It will, within less than 20 minutes, my phone will be on 100. So yeah. So these are going to my car, and I don't know how much these were. I don't see no price on them. I don't know. But this is it. So thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Give me that thumbs up on your way in so I could keep getting into the feed. Y'all want to know any more about these? I don't think Flossie reviewed these in full. He just put them in his top 10, but just go look at his review. This was his top 5. This was number 5 for him, and they do sound good. It's just, for me, it was just a little bit of a pain trying to figure them out. It wasn't pull out the box and really easy to get it going. And with that being said, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all week. I hope you have a great start to your week, and peace.